Today, I'd like to introduce a new type of diesel articulated boom lifts to you all. This time, I will show you its functions and uses in detail. It demonstrates remarkable flexibility during operation, being capable of executing a 720 degrees flip and making precise adjustments in midair. This exceptional feature empowers the lift to effortlessly navigate over obstacles and operate efficiently even in confined spaces. It boasts exceptional high-reaching capabilities, with its lifting heights typically ranging from 40 to 150 feet, varying according to different models. This enables it to access elevated areas with ease, making it an ideal solution for a wide range of high-altitude tasks. Moreover, it is specifically designed for heavy-duty lifting and has a higher load-bearing capacity compared to other types of lifts. It can also conduct a horizontal rotation of 270 degrees in the air, meeting the work requirements of most situations. The demonstration in the air has been completed. Next, I will give you all a close look at the display screen. Here, you can clearly see various functions of the vehicle, the model of the machine, as well as a variety of parameters and so on. Next comes the core part of this equipment. This part is the engine of the equipment. Let's look to the left. This is for supplying the traveling system. This part is used to control the main lifting of the boom. This part is the flow distribution valve. This module is a proportional variable pump. This is the power unit. This is the production workshop of diesel articulated boom lifts. So everyone, if you're interested in this piece of equipment, you're welcome to get in touch with me.